Hello, welcome back to this channel. This is a continuation of the series on how to create a website for your business. At this stage, you should have your domain name and hosting account. If not, go and watch my videos on those topics. In this video, I want to guide you on how to install WordPress. WordPress is a tool that helps people make websites and blogs without needing to know a lot about coding or design. Imagine it like a set of building blocks where you can pick and choose what you want on your website, like pictures, text, videos, or design templates. Let me show you how to install WordPress. Go to your hosting account and log in. Let's go to www.temster.com. Click the login item on the menu bar. Log in with the credentials that your hosting provider might have sent you. Click on Home and you can see your services, your domain, your tickets and invoices. From your account, click on Login to Plesk. This will take you to your control panel, and in the control panel you see some tools that you can use to easily install WordPress and other applications. Locate WordPress icon and click on WordPress. A new page will open and you'll be able to follow through the installation. You can change your website title to any name you want. You don't need much modification here. Change whatever you want, and the installation and configuration will be done for you. Watch as WordPress is being installed and configured. WAF installation done. Click on Open Website. You will see the default WordPress website. If you are unable to access your website at this stage, the issues might be with your DNS. DNS resolution could take up to 48 hours. Let me know if you have any issue. We're almost there. WordPress is up and running, and the next step is designing your website. Don't worry, you've already tackled the hardest parts. Keep an eye out for the next video, where I'll guide you through creating the perfect design for your site. Thanks for watching.